It actually was a strong set of numbers on behalf of Premier Energies. Revenues, like you said, grown 2 times, EBITDA almost 3 times, and margins have expanded 1,000 basis points on a year-on-year basis, and net profit was up almost 3.8 times. When you talk about the 5 key takeaways, well, margins have seen continued expansion to 26.19% versus 15.25% a year ago. Order book stands strong at 3,860 megawatts, which is the total worth of this order book is 6,233 crores, which gives the company strong visibility. The order pipeline also stands at the worth 5,738 crores, and the company is set to add domestic solar cell as well as module capacity by FY27, and will also add wafer and aluminium frame manufacturing capacity by FY26 in a focus to integrate it. When you talk about why the street's not taking the numbers, well, the numbers were good in the commentary when we spoke to the company stood positive as well. The company or the stock rather has seen a very steady jump since its listing. It was recently listed and it listed at a very high premium on listing day itself. And it's also key to note that there is a supply crunch in terms of number of shares tradable on exchanges currently.
Thanks, Pika, for getting us the details. Premier Energies, that's stock is down almost 1.3% right now as we 8.5% to 9%. Mr. Chokalingam, good afternoon. This is Hira here. Firstly, what's your view on this counter? Because if you see since listing, the stock has given returns of around 22 to 23%. Today, in spite of a good set of numbers, the stock has been trading under pressure. What would you advise?
I would suggest sell only. Yes, the company has done very well in this quarter, but now if you take the recent performance also, in my estimate, it is trading at over 40 PE. Let me tell you, if you look back the Indian stock market for the last 30 years or 40 years, it always played out as the thematic fashion, and certain themes always created a phenomenal wealth. But the same themes also, created destruction of wealth. What I mean to say is that, yes, the company has done well, but you would see the kind of entrance into this energy segment, renewable energy, starting from the big companies, big groups, industrial houses to the smallest firms. Everybody is getting in, and the whole theme is getting crowded. And ultimately, the margin will shrink. Nobody can stop shrinkage of margin in this, solar and related businesses, because we have not seen this kind of rush in the last 10 years in any other theme. So therefore, I would give a sell call on Premier Energies at current price.